So as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. I'll be your mirror image and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can, the hands down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front. Draw the hands in towards the heart and then down towards the earth. Sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. And then from here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front, then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Opening the door. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, open the door. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. One more time. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. Switching sides, and you can keep the spine neutral, or if you like, you can do a gentle side bend. One more time, connecting sky and earth. And then the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, pushing to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. It's a nice gentle rotation. One more time. And then from here, both hands float up to the side, then they drift down, drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice gentle sway. Then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, the other hand in front of the heart, playing the peipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come right out in front. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, play the peipa. And then this time, stay with me. From here, the hands circle all the way around, step in as you catch the moon. The top hand goes behind the back, step out to the corner. The bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. Circle it around again, toss away, as if you could toss the moon. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. The bottom hand floats up just like you were. The other hand floats down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. As always, don't worry about getting it perfect. One more time. And then from here, step the front foot back in, hugging the tree right out in front, rounding out the arms. From here, the arms open. Then this hand scoops under, step in, catch the moon. Top hand goes behind the back. Step out to the corner. The bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Circle it around again, toss away. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. Bottom hand floats up, the other hand floats down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. All right, one more time. And then from here, step the front foot in, hug the tree. From here, we'll do Tai Chi walking. So the arms open. This hand here scoops under, step in, catch the moon. Parting the horse's mane, step out to the corner, toss it away. And then from here, sit back, lift the front toes, pivot on the heel, place the foot forward, shift the weight forward, step up and catch the moon. And then step out to the other corner, parting the horse's mane. And then one more time, sit back, lift the toes, pivot on the heel, shift forward and catch the moon. Step out to the corner, parting the horse's mane. And then from here, this hand scoops under, comes all the way up top. The hands float down. The front foot steps all the way behind. Circle the arms around. Tap the heel as we play the peipa. All right, one more time. Step back. Take your time. Circle around. play the peipa. From here, step in, catch the moon. Step out to the corner, parting the horse's mane. Sit back, lift the toes, pivot. Step up, catch the moon. Step to the corner. One more time, sit back, pivot. Step up, catch the moon, and step to the corner. Very nice. Once again, the bottom hand comes up, then the arms come down. Step the front foot back, circle in front, play the peipa. Step the front foot back again, circle around, play the peipa. From here, step back, hug the tree, and soften. The arms open, and now we'll go the other way. So step in, catch the moon, step out to the corner. The bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Then sit back, lift the toes, pivot, step up, catch the moon, step out to the other corner. One more time, sit back, pivot, step up, toss it away. And the bottom hand comes up, the arms float down, step the front foot back, circle in front, tap the heel, play the peipa. One more time, step back, circle around, play the peipa. Hug the tree. All right, one more time, the arms open, step up, catch the moon, parting the horse's mane. Sit back, pivot, step up, sit away. All right, one more time, play the peipa, or parting the horse's mane, and then we'll play the peipa. Bottom hand comes up, the arms float down, circle around, tap the front heel. One more time, play the peipa. Then from here, step in, hug the tree. You can step the feet shoulder width apart. From here, the arms open, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other, and this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down, and circle the hands in front, as if you had a big ball in front of the body. Coming back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen or just down by your sides. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting the body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thanks so much for joining me. If you like this session, the next step is to download my free clickable Tai Chi calendar. Just click the first link in the video description below, and I'll see you in the next video.